Hi, I'm John Trishler from Specialty Performance Parts, and today we've got a nice treat for you. This is the new Linkable light bar kit that we've co-developed here with Baja Designs for the 24 Plus Raptor. It also is going to fit your trimmers with the new modular bumper. So the 37 Raptor, the R Raptor, and the trimmers with the new modular bumper. You're going to be able to tell the modular bumper because of these bolts that you're going to have on your bumper for bolting accessories. We've created an entire new line of accessories for your modular bumper. This Linkable light bar is one of them. So check out the other videos as well, because there's a lot of other options you might want to look at as well. This one is really cool though. We really like the Linkable light bar. It's nice and clean. It sits back really far. We've got this sitting as close to the bumper as you can possibly get it, bumper and grill, to give it the most clean and integrated look that you can get. And with the Linkables, you can adjust these so they have a slight curve to them. These are the covers. So, you know, in case you wondered, because we get these questions sometimes, do they come with the covers? Do you have to buy them? The Linkable light bars are going to come with your covers, so you're going to have those already. You don't have to buy them again. The kit's going to come with your complete harness setup, so we're going to have our plug-and-play harnesses with these two, so you can plug these in, connect them to your switches. We've got an install video you can check out to see how easy it is to install this. But it's going to be dark here in a few minutes, and we're going to show you some demonstrations on these lights with them on at dusk. So as you can see here, we've got our Linkable installed. We've got a slight curve adjustment in it here by adjusting our links to give it that slight curve to match the body of the truck. If you look here from the side, you can kind of see that very slight curve, and we achieve that by adjusting the links here in the center. And we go into great depth with this on the install video, but you can see we just basically have to center these in, you know, basically an equal amount of space in between on this back adjustment. But once we've done that, we're able to have a nice clean fit, get it as close to the grill and the front of the truck as possible. And you know, it doesn't really stick out that far in the front, which is one of the nice things about the Linkable light bar. Because there's a separation here between the two lights, it doesn't really block too much of the camera from the front side. And this is the front camera view. We're going to switch to just the front, and there is that. And so as you can see, like we were talking about before, bringing the lights back further and bringing them down with our mounts the way we designed those, that's going to give you maximum camera view. The lights are in there, but they don't block your camera. Even from the factory, you can see the bottom of the bumper there in the front. That's there for a reason, so you can see your frontalmost point. Now your lights are your frontalmost point, so that can, you know, warn you when you're getting too close to something. So again, you still have camera view just like before, but now you're also going to have lights. And we're going to check those out here in the dark. All right, so this is all the lights off. This is with just the headlights on. This is with all the lights on. All right, so each Baja Designs XL Sport light has 3,162 lumens. So for all 6 of these lights, you're gonna have 18,972 lumens. So that's almost 19,000 lumens total output here with these 6 lights. So with almost 19,000 lumens, it's just a ton of light. As you can see, it's just gonna project and give you a lot more visibility with this light bar. All right, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Visit us at spvparts.com to pick up this new light bar kit for your 24 Plus Raptor. We've got lots of accessories for all your other Raptors and Broncos and other vehicles. And check out our other videos. We've got other demonstrations and lots of new stuff for this Raptor. So visit us at spvparts.com, check out the other videos, and we'll see you next time.